In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto renewal for your Hostinger services. This simple process gives you control over your subscriptions and payments, whether it's hosting, domains, or email services. First, log into Hostinger by opening your browser and visiting hostinger.com. Click the login button at the top right and enter your account credentials. If you've forgotten your password, you can easily reset it from this page. Once logged in, navigate to the billing section at the top menu. Here you'll see an overview of all your transactions and active subscriptions. Next, open the Subscriptions tab. This lists all your services like hosting, domains, and email accounts. To disable auto renewal for a specific service, find the service in the list and click the small arrow next to it. This will expand the service details. Scroll down to the auto renewal section and click Disable Auto Renewal. Hostinger will ask for confirmation. Simply confirm to stop automatic renewals. And that's it. You've successfully turned off auto renewal for your Hostinger service. If you ever want to reactivate it, just follow the same steps and enable the option. Managing these settings gives you peace of mind and control over your expenses. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials and tech tips.